हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू दिस बैंक निफ्टी एनालिसिस वीडियो। इस वीडियो में हम एनालाइज करेंगे बैंक निफ्टी के चार्ट्स और देखेंगे 29 जुलाई को हमें किस डायरेक्शन में ट्रेड मिल सकता है। सबसे पहले apologies as I'm not uploading this video on a regular basis. As I mentioned in my last couple of videos that I've been traveling in the month of July. In fact, my August month is going to be more hectic, but nevertheless, I will try and see whenever I find time. I will upload this analysis videos, and if I am not able to do so, I will definitely upload my support and resistance levels on my Telegram channel. So if you're not, join my Telegram channel, you will find the link in the description box. You can click on that link and join my channel. So now let's analyze for tomorrow what kind of trade we can expect and what kind of momentum we can see in Bank Nifty. So first of all, analyzing Bank Nifty on a higher time frame chart. On a 1 week time frame, you can see there's a trend line and we have given a breakout above this trend line. So ये candle close होने के लिए still there is a 1 day remaining. Unless if we correct around 500 points from today's closing and give a closing below 36,800, this would be considered as a breakout. So now let's move. So first, this is what I wanted to show you on a higher time frame, that we are currently almost about to give a breakout and the momentum should continue in the coming days. So first of all, let's analyze on a smaller time frame and see कि कल के दिन हमें कहाँ पर एंट्री मिल सकती है. So coming to the support and resistance levels for Bank Nifty for tomorrow, these are the levels that would act like a support and resistance. So 37,520, 37,385, 37,340 and 37,250 and 37,100, and the lower level to me is 36,800. So I am expecting Bank Nifty to trade in the range of 36,800 on the lower side, and on the higher side I'm expecting 37,500. If it gives a breakout above 37,500, then I would be little bit cautious in going long, and I might not trade with my normal quantity. I might reduce my quantities. The simple reason is we have been continuously going higher without a proper correction. So that's why I'm expecting a little bit of pause or a little bit of downside momentum. So let's see and plan where we can trade. So first of all, for me, this dotted line is a no trading zone. We have consolidated for most of the time of today's trading session between this zone. So जब तक हम इस zone के अंदर है, it will be like a no trading zone. There will be no clear direction for me कि मैं या long या short जाऊँ. लेकिन जैसे ही हम इस zone के बाहर निकलेंगे, अगर कंसोलिडेशन करके निकलेंगे तो डेफिनेटली इट विल बी अ गुड एंट्री पॉइंट टू गो लॉन्ग अबाउट 37,385 एंड एक्सपेक्ट 120-130 पॉइंट्स टारगेट क्लोजर टू 37,520. अगर ब्रेकडाउन देते हैं 37,250 का, तो वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट 37,110 एज अ टारगेट ऑन द डाउन साइड. So this is only if you open between this range and give a breakout. अगर हम गैप अप ओपन होते हैं लेट्स से 37,500, 520 और लेवल्स के लिए, तो आई वुड सी कि बैंक निफ्टी इज वेदर इट्स सस्टेनिंग अबाउ 37,520. इन दैट सिनेरियो आई विल बी गोइंग लॉन्ग, बट एज आई सेड विद अ लेस क्वांटिटीज. But if it takes a rejection or gives a breakdown below 37,520, it will be a good entry point for me to go short. And for my first target would be 37,340. And then Bank Nifty would be basically entering the same resistance zone where consolidation zone. So this will be a little bit tricky area because it might not just give a breakdown suddenly from this zone. So it might try to take support and consolidate. So that will be a little bit tricky. So if you don't want to face that volatility, that will be a good point to book at least your partial profits in case you have shorted at 37,520 levels. And then I would still be keen to see what it does in this zone, and if it gives a breakdown below 37,250, then we can expect a second target of 37,100 on the downside. So it will be a good trade shorting at 37,500 and expecting a target of 37,100, almost 400 points target. And then in case Bank Nifty breaks 37,100 also, then you can expect a third target which will be closer to 36,800. So overall it would be a very good trade in case if we open gap up and could not sustain that gap up and we start correcting, shorting at 37,500 and expecting a target 1, target 2 and target 3 of 36,800, which is a 700 points move from its top. So this is the a start trade for me if we get a good gap up opening and then we take a rejection from the first 5 minutes or 15 minutes high. So that's my plan. I'm not looking at the US market currently. I'm not expecting a gap down opening. I'm expecting a gap up opening. So we'll see whether the gap up is a huge gap up or is just a normal gap up. So in case if it opens somewhere between 37 500 and 37 400, then it will be again a no trading zone. I will wait for Bank Nifty to come to the either side, either closer to 37 500 or closer to 37 350, and then I will see what kind of price action pattern we observed closer to that levels and enter my position on a short or a long side. So I will share my entry in my Telegram channel, and